Hi, this is Robin with Homeschool Planet. Today I wanted to show you how to create a grade report. The first thing to know about a grade report is how it is different from a traditional report card. We do have an option for traditional report cards here at Homeschool Planet, and of course they list the title of each course, the grading period, and the final grade. A grade report gives you a little more flexibility in that you can filter your information in different ways. This may be helpful if you have multiple students in a single class and you want to look at how the class is doing as a whole, or if you'd like to see individual assignments or category breakdowns. To get started, we're going to go to the Reports menu and choose Grade Report. We're going to see that we have four basic layouts. Summary by student, then by class gives us the name of a student. The grading period, in this case, this is semester 2 of the 2020-2021 school year. The current grade in each class, both by letter and number, and then a breakdown of the different categories assigned to that class, what the weighted score is for each avenue, and then it moves to the next student. If you'd like instead, you can look summary by class, then by student, and it will give you a listing by class and then any students which are within that class. So perhaps we get down here to history, mystery of history, we see a grade for Juliana and then for Matthew. Next is details by student, then by class. This gives you an actual breakdown of each grade entered for each assignment given to the student. These are also further broken down by category. So I have art, where I have tests, homework. I then have an elective called Think Well Public Speaking, where I have test grades and homework grades for each individual assignment. The last way to look at this is details by class, then student, which again is very similar. It just takes a class and looks at each student. So depending on what you're looking for, one of those may work better than another. But if that isn't enough customization for you, you can also go to the Customize menu. You can choose to run a report for just one or a number of students. You can choose the subjects, those are academic endeavors, or the categories, those are other areas you've added, such as chores or perhaps community service. You can set any date range that you would like. The reporting period, you can even go back to previous years or previous semesters. The categories, classes, whether you would like graded only assignments or ungraded only assignments or both, and whether or not you'd like to choose resources. When you've made all your selections, you select OK. Again, review which layout works best for the situation you're in, and then hit print. And that's all there is to it. There are lots of options. Play with them, get used to them, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and see if we can help you with what you're looking for. Have a great day. Thanks so much for being a Homeschool Planet subscriber.